Hi friends, this is Squadron Jayasimha, your friend in success. We all make plans, don't we? Plan A, if it doesn't work, plan B, if it doesn't work, plan C. The question is, why do you make multiple plans? If you have made one plan correctly, and if you put in all your efforts and energy, and that should work for you, right? So the very fact that you have a plan B, you're actually assuming, you're actually thinking, you are giving a leeway for the plan A to fail. And the moment there is something else that's going to give you that leverage and flexibility, and automatically it will make sure that you don't put in 100% work. Have you seen a trapeze artist in a circus? When he's walking on the rope, he's so confident because there's a net underneath him that he knows even if I fall, nothing is going to happen. And just take out that net and make the trapeze artist to walk on that rope in the circus, and believe me, sure he's going to fall down. It's all about that only. So many people walk if when there's a net, but in life, it's not about circus that somebody's going to put net when you walk on the rope. It's all about you walking on the tight rope without any net. And for that, you need to make a proper plan. It's all about you having passion. It's all about you having burning desire. And many people think that, don't we fail? Yes, every one of us fail. Michael Jordan, the famous basketball player, he once said, more than 9,000 times I was taking a shot and I failed in basketball. Many times I was given that choice to take and put that ball in the basket and I failed. I let my team down. I let myself down. I went back and I learned from that and I kept on working back. I kept on coming back and kept on working. And that's how whole life is all about. In army too, we don't have plan B. It's all about you having only one plan and sticking with it. Okay. So the moment you have a contingency, a plan that if this is not going to work, there's going to be something else that's going to work. And that's when most of us, we don't give 100%. See, understand one thing, everyone on this planet want to become successful. Show me one person who says, I want to live, I want to die as a poor man. Everybody want to drive a beautiful car, wear a nice beautiful shirt, live in a palatial bungalow, want to have lot of bank balance, want to see his photograph in the newspaper, want to see his interview in the television. He want, wherever he goes, people will come and take his autograph. And after he goes from this world, he wants someone to write about him in the history books. Who doesn't want? You, I, every one of us. But then, everyone doesn't enter the history books, yes or no? The reason is, we work up to 99%. And that 1% we miss. And that's where the whole life, right? Success and failure is not about you crossing that 100-mile journey. It's all about that one step. And that makes a difference. It's all about having only one plan and say that this has to work. Let me see what can I do to make the plan work. And if you have that plan and if you can do this, it is really going to work. It's all about, we call it as a burning your bridges. So the moment you cross a river and you burn your bridge and there's no way to go back, and you will find a way to go forward. But the moment you know that there's a way you can go back, that's when you are not going to explore enough to find a path ahead of you. And most of us in life also, the moment you have a plan B, the plan A is not going to work. So in my life too, many times I failed, but I knew that I have to work with this plan and I have to make it work. And I introspect, sit back, and then check, take feedback, talk to people, and then think and find out where you went wrong. Was your strategy not okay? The implementation was not okay? 100% energy was not there? The resources were not okay? The people who are supposed to be in the project, were they not giving their 100% enough? Where did you go wrong? Check that and fine tune that. That plan will work. So it's all about you making that only one plan and sticking to it and make that work. And only those people who make only one plan and those who work, they are going to become successful. So there's nothing called plan B in life. There's only one plan A. And that's where you have that burning desire. You have that fire within. And that's when you have that real passion. The real you who will surface to the top and who is going to swim across this big ocean of life. Otherwise, we are all going to sink in life. That's what I want to share with you. Make a plan. plan it well and execute well, and then you will really succeed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you. Bye bye.